time-lapse video got shut off. Someone called my phone, so we don't have any time-lapse today. So all we did was we took the bucket truck and we cut down a dead blackjack that was hanging over the driveway. We could have dropped it, but it was just safer with all the vehicles, and I didn't want to break anything. And then the dead pine tree, since there was nothing around and it was straight up, we were able to pull that over and stack it. So, but it is hot out today and Josh is ready to go. So I'm just waiting for the customer's receipt, tree line.
I heard about you at the Moose. We're both members of the Moose. This is Georgia Barker's property. I'm her fiance, and I'm the one that's paying for the removal of the trees.
And we had
My name is Stanley Saunders.
And they had a dead blackjack oak tree.
Dead oak tree and
dead,
also a dead pine tree.
And we took them both out, hauled half of it away and half of it sitting. Hopefully the city come get it.
Right.
And Roger's a great guy.
Roger has done a fine job.
Thank you.